Hello and welcome to this myTRBK tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Tour Manager app and also assign other tour members as an admin. So I'm going to start with the admin assignment. So I'm going to click here to go to tour members, and I'm going to make myself a tour admin. Are you sure? Okay. And I'm now a secondary tour admin. If I want to remove myself, I can click that button there, but I'm not going to do that. So if I go over to here, which is the myTRBK website signed in as me and not the tour manager, you can see now you're an admin. Click here for the TM app. And this brings up this page which says download our Tour Manager app for iOS or Android and sign in with your myTRBK account. And you've got the links there to download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. But if you haven't got your phone or you want to use it via your computer, you can continue to the web version of the Tour Manager app by clicking here. And the Tour Manager app loads in the web browser. So the Tour Manager app will work on phones and tablets, and if you load it on a tablet you get to select which tour you want to manage, because you may manage more than one tour. In this example I only have the Beetroots tour here, so I'm going to click on that and you can see it brings up all the tour settings. That's the first page, and all of these are the same as in the previous videos. It's just laid out in a way that's better for phones and tablets. You've got the edit icon here, so you can go to individual days, add in new locations, choose a location. You can add in notes, you can add in attachments and travel information, same as you can in the desktop version. So all of this should be pretty self-explanatory, as it's the same as the desktop version. It's just laid out in a more tablet-friendly form. And here is the guest list management, which is the same as the desktop version, just laid out slightly better for the tablet. You can edit guest list entries. You can add new ones in. So if I pick a day, for example, the Cardiff date, there's no guest list for that yet, but you can click add guests and add in your guests as you want. You can deal with requests, and I can approve that request, and it's now there in the approved list. And the final thing in the Tour Manager app, you can send notifications, again same as the desktop version. You can pick people you want to notify. So if I just want to notify myself, and I can say, hello Dave. I click send. That will now alert me on my phone, as it has. So that Tour Manager app is free and available for the main Tour Manager, plus any secondary admins that the Tour Manager chooses to add. It's also available for phones, so this is the phone layout. You can click on your day, click up here, and it will hide the calendar. So you could be sitting in a pub on a day off and update the day sheet, or send a notification, or approve or deny guest list requests. And thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.